Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Chrissy. I'm so pleased to meet you. Today I'm going to be unboxing January's edition of Glossybox. I've also got a load of mystery boxes I brought from Christmas to show you. So if you'd like to know what's in them, please stay tuned. So this came yesterday. This is January's edition of Glossybox, pink and black box. This is their standard box. You have a nice ribbon. Everything's all comes really nicely packaged. You have your literature to tell you what's in it and a sneak peek of next month's if you have it. And then these are the products. So this one is a Beauty Pro CBD oil infused sheet mask. This one retails at £5.95. Is Model Co Clear Brow Gel. Now this is supposed to be £14 to buy. So with that and the sheet mask, well, that in itself is more than we actually pay for the box. These are Shop Basic Beauty, and these are a pair of tweezers which they retail at £15.50, which you've got a slanted edge on them from Buy, and it is a strawberry booster. This is worth £12. I think this is an actual serum made from upcycled seeds from the juice industry. This sustainable 100% cold pressed strawberry seed oil is the secret to a softer, brighter complexion. Well, it sounds really nice, that does actually. And then lastly we have the Detox Illuminating Micellar Water. This is recommended to sell at £10.30, which that's a lot for a micellar water. It smells like baby shampoo. Okay, well that is the 5 products from this month's Glossybox. But that isn't actually why I wanted to come on and talk to you. I actually wanted to talk about the mystery boxes. Now these mystery boxes I've never had before. I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know how much they was going to be. These boxes was £5. So I clicked on as soon as they was going to be released, because if you're a Glossybox subscriber you get an earlier release time. Even if it's only like a few hours, you get a chance to get the products first. So I looked and £5, and then it actually says quantity. I thought, oh, £5. So I thought I'll get 4, see if it'll let me do it, and it did. It let me have 4, and it also didn't charge me any postage, so that I've saved myself £3.95 postage. So I'm actually going to show you what I've got. I couldn't believe it. I actually thought they was all going to be the same, which no, there wasn't. Obviously anybody who's had the limited editions or special editions know what that is at the bottom. This one, I think this must have been not last Valentine's Day, must have been the time before, which would have been 2018. The first thing is this Ciate London Nail Enamel. That is supposed to be £9. The next thing is a Steve Laurent lip tint, which is worth £17. This was in the Glossybox advent calendar for Christmas this year. Next is the Studio 10 Beauty makeup mist. That is supposed to be £14. That one. The next thing is this Icona Milano mascara. That is supposed to be £15. Then we have a Sleek Makeup Eye Divine palette. That is supposed to be £8.99. So that's the first one. So I thought that was all going to be the same as that, but boy was I wrong. The next one is, this is a November edit. It's Green Frog Botanic Natural Body Wash. That one is worth £8.95. Then we have a Sport FX Double Time Brush Buffer and Powder Duo. That is supposed to be £10.99. They actually sell these on Sports Direct. I was actually looking at some makeup from there yesterday. Then we have Model Launcher Safari Sun Bronzer. That one is supposed to be £16.50. We've got the Rodial Glam Lash in here. That one is supposed to be £24. And then the last one is a Boots Charcoal and Willow Bark Sheet Mask. And that is supposed to be £2.50. So again, mystery box, either, bargain. Excited, this was my Christmas present to myself. This was the best £20 I have ever spent. So this is called Beauty Beneath Supplement. They're from Boots. These are $39.99. The next is a Apecia Cream Blush. You'll have to excuse me if I'm pronouncing them wrong. That is supposed to be £22. Then we have the Sanctuary, is it just Sanctuary? No, the Sanctuary Spa, and that's a purifying charcoal bubble sheet mask. That is £5. This is what I'm excited about. This is the Dr. Botanicals. This is Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. This is in a travel size. The full size is supposed to be £55. The last thing is an Evelyn Iona Cosmetics, and it's a green tea primer, and that is supposed to be £22 as well. A Glossybox angled brush, that is supposed to be £5.50. That's a Glossybox exclusive. Then we've got Effect Cosmetics. That is a Matte Effect Transparent Loose Rice Powder. That is supposed to be £9.35. Ico London Fat Liquid Eyeliner. I've had one of these before. I don't think it was in the advent calendar, but I'm sure I've had one before. And that is supposed to be £16. Then we've got, this is my favourite stuff, then we've got the Imperial Leather Unicorn Marshmallow Foam Burst. I'm saying this is £3.15. Now I know I only pay less than £2 for that. Then the last thing, which there isn't a price on this one, I don't think. No, because it's the launch date hadn't been released. And so it was a Karl Lagerfeld plus Model & Co. Baked Blush. So that is another £5 box. Now, come on, ladies and gents. We know a bargain. We know a bargain when we see one. And they are bargains. So, if you can remember, because I'll be there waiting, Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Keep an eye out. Fill your boots. Hopefully you'll be able to buy more than one. Like I say, I didn't realise you could buy any more than one per month anyway. I suppose if you're paying the price you can, but I never even give it a thought because I've only ever bought one limited edition, one advent calendar. I could only afford one advent calendar, and one monthly subscription box. But perhaps the limited editions you can buy more. £5 though. How good is that? But I thought I'd share that with you today. It is something different. And I know everybody sees Glossybox and oh, it's the same, everybody's got the same. But I thought that's why I'd show you something different that I've had from, and I don't actually think I've seen many people opening the mystery boxes. If you have enjoyed my little unboxing reveal today, don't forget to smash that like button, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. That would be amazing. It would mean the world to me. So until we see each other again, it'll probably be this makeup tutorial actually, maybe, or it may be another one. I'll see you again really soon. I love you loads. Bye guys.